This InnerSoft CAD tool lets you to insert level marks automatically. We must first select the baseline. Next, we select the points where we want the dimension. The tool inserts a point, plus a block with the level symbol, plus a text with the perpendicular distance from the point to the baseline. The baseline can be in any orientation, and the symbols will be aligned with respect to that line. If we move the symbols and execute the regen command, the dimension will update, showing the new distance. Keep in mind that this dimension is calculated with respect to the point, not with respect to the block or with respect to the text. We can select the Group Elements box so that the point, the block and the text are grouped in AutoCAD. This lets us to move the three objects together. We can add a suffix and a prefix to the text that shows the numerical value of the dimension. InnerSoft has a predefined block that it uses as a level symbol. If we want to use a different symbol, we can create a custom block. We must press the Change Block button and select the new block to be able to use it. This tool is free to use, and you do not need a license to work with it.